Ooh, ooh, Pretty little baby.
मोआना इज रेडी फॉर यू। जय माता की बोल के मेरा चैनल कर लो फॉलो। हेलो गाइस, राधे राधे एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर व्लॉग एंड इट्स द डे 2 ऑफ व्लॉग इन इंग्लिश चैलेंज। सो here is Dolly. I've completed bathing and all my cleaning work.
Taken a bath.
Sorry, I have taken bath.
Completed bathing.
Guys, I have taken bath and I have completed all my work and now I'm going for prayer. So let's do prayer and then we will do breakfast. And Dolly's playing game. Or
I'm not playing game.
then what is it? Editing a video. She's editing a video, guys, but I am very busy. I have to go. She don't have any work, guys. Look at her, always free.
आप ये भी नीचे हो क्या ये बेटा?
Talk
I
in
work a
English.
lot there, you know.
Okay,
I
very
help
good.
Mama.
Prayer is done now, and now I'm having an apple. And look what Dolly's cooking. First of all, have darshan of my pyare ji. He's there. Let me show you. Do take blessings from my pyare Lal ji, pyare Mohan ji. Do take blessings, guys. Dolly is cooking Maggie for both of us. Which Maggie is this? Tell us. Soupy? Soupy Maggie? What all you put?
Huh?
What all you add? Sorry, what all you add in this
What I
Maggie?
put in Maggie is this soup. I put this soup in Maggie. This one.
Dolly, don't make fun of me.
I put manchow soup.
Huh? And
And
like you are a pro in English, nah. That is why you are making fun.
I'm not making fun of you.
This is my Maggie for breakfast, and this is ladyfinger sabji. Guys, I have dried up my hairs and look, Moana is ready for you. By the way, I don't have that much hairs in my head, but still, after drying up my hair, it looks like I have so many hairs in my head, but it's not true. What are you doing?
Ollie को दूध पिला दिया.
Speak in English only.
Feeding milk to Ollie. Look.
Dolly is feeding milk to Ollie. I don't think that's the right sentence.
पता मैं ही लाई.
Okay.
Feed कराना, खिलाना.
Look at Ollie, guys. जय भोले की बोल के मेरा चैनल देखो खोल के। जय माता की बोल के मुझे कर लो फॉलो। क्या है वो? जय माता की बोल के मेरा चैनल कर लो फॉलो। What were you doing, Dolly?
I'm loving this Ollie.
You love Ollie?
I'm kissing her. Look how pretty she is.
Little baby. Ooh.
She's a little dirty
Little
right now.
baby. I say maybe you've been thinking of me.
Ollie पुच्ची
And
कर
try
दो.
to love
Ollie
me.
कैमरे को पुच्ची कर दो. पुच्ची पुच्ची.
Ollie likes massage, guys. She's like me only.
Ollie likes belly rubs.
Belly rubs.
No.
Yeah. What? I didn't understand. My favorite lota, guys. Little baby. Dolly!
ठंडा ठंडा.
अपने ऊपर डाल.
मैं तो डालती हूँ. मैं यहाँ बैठती यही करती थी. मैं पैरों में पानी भी डाल देती थी चप्पल उतार के.
Dolly. It's gone nonsense. Dolly, don't do this nonsense. Guys, now Dolly will sing a song for you. Dolly, come here.
Let's sing it together, no?
No. You're
Little baby, you say
This
that
side-
maybe
this side,
you've
come,
been
come.
thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Now is just the time when both of us are young. pretty little baby. You say that maybe you've been thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. Now is just the time when both of us are young. Puppy love must have its day. ठीक है?
रोशनी में ऐसे कर डॉली मेरे ऊपर करने को
तेरे ऊपर कहाँ कर रही हूँ मैं इधर कर रही हूँ
डॉली सब मेरे ऊपर आ रहा
दिख नहीं रहा है
Yes, it's visible. Dolly, what's the time? Dolly, time
मेरे को मन नहीं दिख रहा एक श्रेय चुका है
1:06. Right now it's 1:06 p.m. and
आपका मुझे मट्ठे के लिए पैसे दे रहे हो मट्ठा क्या
what do you want? Buttermilk?
पता मैंने
In English only. I only understand English, Dolly. Now it's 1:06 p.m. and I will do live at 1:30 till 3:30, I guess. And at 3:30 or 4 maybe I will go back to home. Okay, then we will do vlogging again.
pretty little baby yeah guys there's a glitch in our voice let's do you make the face and I make the sound
Yes.
let's do it
Now again. Now I will do.
ooh, eh.
Dolly, you have to do for long now. You just did 2 times, then you started laughing. Why? Come here, come. At least come in the frame. Nonsense. Now what?
I don't know
Come in frame.
अरे तो फ्रेम में आकर तुम ना तू
No,
सामने
you
से
can
रहेगी
come
मैं
in
अलग से
frame.
बाबा से करूँगी
Come in frame.
do something else ना
What else?
you are only doing
Come in frame.
hi guys एक बार ही करेंगे हाँ
2 times. Yahoo! You should do like this. Yahoo! Now you make face, I will make sound. And it will be fun. It will be more fun. Now go.
yes
Now you are making me mad. Bring
you
one
are
buttermilk.
mad already
Dolly! One bring buttermilk for me. Buttermilk. I have just ended the live and it's 4:35 and guys, I want to show you my outfit. How's the outfit? You liked it? I really love this outfit actually. This skirt is mine, but this top is not mine. This is my sister's top, Anna's top. But I don't think it will fit her now because it's not that much loose. And I will show you the back side. Back side is also very beautiful. It's like we have to tie this top. It's very beautiful and I really love the color also. By the way, I really love white color, but pink also is good, right? And now we will ask Dolly that can I eat her chips? This is kurkure, by the way. Let me ask her. Dolly, ये खा लूँ मैं? क्या?
मेरे लिए भी ले आना
तो आ जा, तू भी खा ले. Come Dolly, we both will eat together. Now I will take rest for like an hour. 1.5 hour I will take rest. Then I will wake up at I guess 6. And then we will do prayer. because it's my daily routine. Guys, now we are going for Dolly's haircut. Dolly, how much hairs you want?
I think I'll make them a little
Shorter? Dolly, this will look very beautiful. Seriously on you.
But I think.
And it's your age, you know.
But
you
I
know.
want layers cutting.
No, don't do layer cutting. I think you should do wolf cutting. It comes in layer cutting only, okay? But it will be a little short. Dolly,
Wavy and
let's go. But you really want short hair, right? Short. Till your shoulders, right? Okay. Come now. Now we will go. I will make Dolly's hair as short as possible. This is my motive of going with her. I will make them as short as possible. क्या पी रही है?
अदरक वाला पानी.
Why are you having अदरक वाला पानी?
Ginger water.
Guys, let's go.
Ginger or garlic? Ginger, right?
Ginger Dolly. Garlic is lesson.
Sometimes I got
Confused. It's okay. Come. Oh, Tupam, what is happening? Say hi. Vlog. It's a vlog. only.
English vlog.
It's an English vlog. We are doing 60-day English vlog challenge.
Huh?
What do you think?
It's good.
It's good.
And there is Vicky Bhaiya. Vicky Bhaiya. Hi. Radhe Radhe. Are you ready for new look?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I want this new look.
Guys, now we will show you the transition video of Dolly's
मेरा
haircut.
चेहरा इसमें कितना चमकता है. My face is looking
Glowing. Guys, that is our home, that yellow one. And we have come to the nearest parlor we have.
फोटो खींचो मेरे उससे. आजा.
Yo, Dolly. Guys, the haircut is done. Get ready to see. दिखने आ गई. आजो नेहा, आजो. Dolly is so happy about her short hairs now. Dolly, how happy you are?
Look,
Wow, Dolly!
But
You look like some Hollywood star. Seriously,
Not
Dolly,
like
you're
Hollywood star.
looking so pretty. These hairs
But
are
I
really,
love my hairs.
really suiting you, Dolly. It's really suiting you.
Suits me.
Yes,
Suiting.
it really suits you.
Yeah.
Fine
Yes,
now.
fine now.
And wow, Dolly is looking so pretty. Dolly baddie,
middle
Dolly
partition.
baddie.
Inside partition.
No,
as well.
inside partition you are looking more beautiful. Yes.
This side or this side?
Both side, Dolly.
No, not both sides. Look this.
No, that one is more good. Earlier I used to have.
Mine is not so good.
Dolly, don't lie. Guys, just look how many hairs she got in her head. How many? So many.
Now I'm feeling good.
Very good, I guess. Baddie, Dolly, baddie.
Now I'll turn my hair in dark green color. Dark grey in the sense which जिसका color I'll turn my hair that much green, which can be only seen in sunlight.
Yes, green.
Dark green,
Dark green.
which looks black in shadow.
Okay, got it.
Yes.